Good afternoon, everyone. It is Monday, August 13th, and we are live at Liberty with your week of events. If for some reason you don't hear your event here, there are 3 ways you can get us that information. You can email it to tourism@libertycounty.org. You can give us a phone call at 912-368-4445, or you can upload it yourself on our website, which is libertycounty.org, under the calendar feature. All right, today, Monday, Bring a Buddy Week. Summer Blast at Strike Hard CrossFit. Bring a friend and try out classes for free every day this week from 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. Also, Diversity Health Center is having an open house. It did start this morning, but it is all day until 5 p.m. The Huntsville Live Oak Public Library will have free community power yoga at 6:40 p.m. and the City of Midway will have their council meeting at the Midway Police Station beginning at 6 p.m. There's adult GED classes at Worksource Coastal, which is located on Martin Luther King Jr. Drive from 6 to 9 p.m. And then American Legion Post 168 will have their bingo night. That begins at 6:45, and you can join in for a chance at the $500 jackpot. On Tuesday, the 14th, there's free enrollment and renewal assistance for Medicaid and Peach Care for Kids. That's from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the United Way office. That's on Martin Luther King Jr. Drive in downtown Huntsville. It's Public Housing Health Day at Regency Apartments, and that's from 9 to 11 a.m. The Martin Community Spouses Club will have their super sign-up event at the USO Fort Stewart, and that's from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Worksource Coastal Huntsville Job Center will have their Body Language Basics and Interviewing Skills workshop from 9 to 11 a.m. and then an orientation workshop from 3 to 4 p.m. and their adult GED classes are from 6 to 9 p.m. The Huntsville Live Oak Public Library will have story time for kids ages 0 to 5 at 9:30 and 11 a.m. There's one-on-one computer help starting at 12:30. You do have to make an appointment for that. It's 912-368-4003. And then a genealogy meetup from 6 to 7 p.m. The City of Flemington Council meeting will happen at Flemington City Hall starting at 4:30 p.m. The Liberty County Rec Department water aerobics will happen at the Midway Pool at 5 o'clock. Chick-fil-A will host Spirit Night from 5 to 8 p.m. The Bradwell Institute School Improvement Plan Parent Input Meeting will happen at 5:30 p.m. The Liberty County Board of Education will meet at 5:30 p.m. The City of Walterville Council meeting happens at the Walterville Police Department at 6 p.m. And then on Wednesday, there's coffee and conversation all about art. That begins at 10 a.m. at Southern Sweets Cafe and Bakery in downtown Hinesville. Healthcare for the homeless at the Manor House from 10 to 11:30 a.m. A Southern cooking demonstration at the USO Fort Stewart from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. There's a diabetes support group at the Diversity Health Center Conference and Training Building from 4 to 6 p.m. Open Computer Lab at the Midway Riceboro Library at 5 p.m. and then adult GED classes at Worksource Coastal from 6 to 9 p.m. On Thursday the 16th, Worksource Coastal has their orientation workshop at 9 a.m. and then a financial literacy and resume building workshop from 2 to 4 p.m. There's story time for kids at the Midway Riceboro Library at 11 a.m. The City of Hinesville Council meeting is at 3 p.m. The Huntsville Farmers Market happens from 3 to 7 p.m. The Huntsville Live Oak Public Library will host Lego Club at 4 p.m. and then Adult Anime Club, which is ages 18 plus, at 6 p.m. Also, water aerobics again at the Midway Pool at 5 p.m. and then the Liberty County Board of Commissioners will meet at the Courthouse Annex at 5 p.m. On Friday the 17th, Diversity Health Center will have a patient appreciation breakfast. That's from 9 to 11 a.m. Make a Poppy Day at the Midway Riceboro Library at 10 a.m. The Huntsville Live Oak Public Library will have baby play date at 10:30 a.m. and then a breastfeeding club from 1 to 2 p.m. Southern Cooks will be live here at our offices at 3 p.m. and you can tune in at the Explore Liberty Facebook page with Erica Anderson of Doodles making some summer cocktails. Bradwell Institute versus Dodge County football game is at Olby Field at 7:30 p.m. and then the USO will have a Friday night flick showing Rampage beginning at 6 p.m. On Saturday, there's a community yard sale and child safety day at St. Philip's Episcopal Church, and that's from 7:30 a.m. to 12:30. There's a Mind, Body, and Soul, a healthful day at the USO at the Fort Stewart Hunter Army Airfield location from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then again from 1 to 3 p.m. There's a community open house event with Cole Banker Holton Realtors from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. at various homes in the community. A Stitch in Time crochet class at the Midway Riceboro Library from 4 to 5 p.m. and then Movie Under the Stars at Holbrook Outdoor Recreation Area from 8:30 to 10 p.m. On Sunday, Azure Family Art Studio with the Huntsville Area Arts Council presents a variety art class for kids at 4 o'clock and a sewing class at 5 o'clock. Pre-registration is required for both of those. A reoccurring event, Meals for the Homeless in Hinesville. The Liberty County Manor House is serving Monday through Friday from 4 to 6 p.m. Westside Baptist Church is serving on Saturday from 5 to 7 p.m. And the Cathedral of Praise is serving on Sunday from 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. And then lunch on Tuesday and Thursday from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. As always, we hope you get up, get out, and explore Liberty.